How to get funding peeps coupon codes. Now in this tutorial, this is going to be straightforward and very easy to follow. All you have to do first is to open up any preferred web browser that you want to use, but in this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now before you go ahead and sign up or log into Funding Peeps, we will be visiting a website that is going to be called couponbind.com. Now this website is giving us a specific or a random voucher codes or discount promo codes or coupon codes that we can use for free. Now all you have to do once you're here is just go directly to the search bar and just simply type in funding peeps. And there you go. Just simply click on that and you will be given out multiple coupon codes that you can use. So again, before you logged into the main site from Funding Peeps, you just have to visit this site right here. This is going to be called couponbind.com, and these are the codes that you can go ahead and use. Now, for you to have these unique characters, letters, or uh, codes, you just have to click on that and copy it before you log into Funding Peeps. And that's how you get Funding Peeps coupon codes.